Once upon a time, there lived a kind mother goat and her 7 little kids. One day, the mother goat had to go look for food in the forest, and the little goats had to stay home and wait.
The wolf has a scary growling voice and black hands and feet, so don't let him fool you.
The mother goat warned her kids.
Okay, I'll be back.
We'll be waiting!
As soon as the mother goat was gone, along came a hungry wolf to eat the 7 little goats.
Dun, 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 dun. It's your mother. Open up. I've brought you some presents. Come on already.
Wait, something's not right. Our mother's voice doesn't growl like that.
It's the wolf. Don't open the door.
Darn, just wait. I'll change my voice and fool them.
So the wolf ate some chalk to change his voice. Well, my throat feels smooth and my voice is perfect. I'll fool those little goats. Humming a little tune, the wolf went back to the little goat's house and knocked on the door. Dun, 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 dun. Knock, knock, it's your mother. Hurry up and open the door. The kids were fooled, and everyone thought this was their mother. But then 2 big black front paws appeared and the goat screamed.
The black paws of the wolf!
Oh!
Don't open it. Go away, bad wolf.
Darn, couldn't fool him. I'll get you yet.
The wolf got an idea and went to the bakery. He took some flour and covered his paws, front and back, until they were snow white.
Now my paws are white. Just perfect. I'll fool those little goats now. Just perfect.
This time the wolf was sure of himself. He went to the goat's house, his mouth watering. It's your mother. My hands are full. I've got lots of yummy snacks for you. Please hurry up and open the door.
Yippee! It's Mama! A pretty voice and white paws. Yep, no mistaking, that's Mama!
The kids were completely fooled. When they opened the door,
I'm gonna eat you all.
Oh no, it's not our mother!
the little goats all quickly ran and hid in the house. The first little goat hid in the kitchen cabinet. The second little goat hid under a desk. The third little goat hid in the fireplace. The fourth little goat hid under the bed. The fifth little goat hid in a dresser drawer. The sixth little goat hid in behind the sofa.
There, where are they?
With his keen eyesight and good sense of smell, he quickly found the goats. The wolf was so hungry that he swallowed up the little goats one after the other until he had eaten 6 of them. The 7th little goat, who was the slowest of them all, had climbed into the clock and fallen fast asleep. The wolf forgot all about the seventh little goat. But since he had just eaten 6 little goats, he was quite full.
Oh, that was good. What tender, delicious little goats. I'm so full. Now I'll go sleep.
Just then, the mother goat returned from the forest.
My cute little goats! It's Mother! I've got a bunch of yummy food.
The mother goat opened the door,
Uh-huh.
but there wasn't a sound from the little goats. Because, of course, 6 of the little goats were inside the wolf's stomach, and the 7th little goat was asleep in the clock. Just as the mother goat opened the door and went inside, the clock began to strike.
Oh, Mama. Oh, where is everybody?
The mother goat hugged the 7th little goat. Then the mother goat realized the wolf had eaten everybody else up.
Your brothers and sisters are all eaten up.
Ah!
Oh, what shall we do?
The 2 of them decided to go and look for the wolf. A swallow came and told them where to find him. There was the wolf, his stomach all big, fast asleep under a tree on the hill. His stomach was moving round, this way and that.
Oh, hooray! Everyone's still alive!
Mother Goat took a pair of scissors from a pocket in her apron and began to cut open the wolf's stomach. As she did so, the little goats came tumbling out.
My children, thank goodness you're all alive. Now go and bring some big stones. We're going to fill the wolf's stomach. Hurry!
Okay, Mama.
Now, I'll sew him up. Chick, 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 chick.
Soon the wolf's stomach was sewn up without leaving any marks.
This will do. Let's all go home.
So they all hurried home to see what Mother Goat had brought them. After a while, the wolf woke up.
Boy, I must have eaten too much. I go to the river and drink some water.
But the wolf's stomach was so heavy with stones, he could not run. He started to roll and tumbled all the way down the hill.
Help me! I can't swim! Ah!
The wolf rolled down the hill and plopped right into the river.
Ah! I can't swim! Help! Yikes! Help! I can't swim! Yikes! I can't swim!
The wolf thrashed about in the water, trying to swim, but sank to the bottom.
When Mother's not here, you must never open the door, no matter what.
When Mother's not here, we'll never open the door again.
And Mother Goat gave each of them a wonderful present and a tender kiss. The end.